Welcome to a new Tech Solutions video. Today I will teach you how to delete playlist on Spotify. So if you want to learn how to do this, stay until the end of the video where I will show you how. First of all, open Spotify. You can do this either by opening the Spotify desktop app or by going to the Spotify website in your web browser. 2. Find the playlist you want to delete. If you are using the desktop app, you can find your playlist in the left-hand sidebar. If you are using the web browser, you can find your playlist in the Your Library tab. 3. Click on the three dots next to the playlist name. This will open a menu with a few options. 4. Select Delete Playlist. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete the playlist. And 5. Click Delete to confirm. The playlist will be deleted from your Spotify account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, subscribe and give us a like. I will see you in the next Tech Solutions video.